ओंकारबिंदुसंयुक्तं नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः। गंगातरंगरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषितवामभागं नारायणप्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीं पुरपतिं भज विश्वनाथं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। श्री दीपनारायण भगवान की जय। श्री सुदेव पुरुषा महादेव हिमालयन अवतार श्री अलग पुरुषा महादेव की जय। हिंदू धर्म सम्राट परमहंस श्री स्वामी माधवानंदपुरी जी भगवान की। विश्व गुरु महामंडलेश्वर परम पूज्य परम योगीराज परमहंस श्री स्वामी महेश्वरानंदपुरी जी गुरुदेव भगवान की जय। सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। सैल्यूटेशन टू द ओम श्री अलगपुर जी सिद्धपीठ परंपरा। I would like to bow His Holiness, beloved Gurudev, Vishwa Guruji's holy feet. We are lucky one that we are sitting here, which is the spiritual center of yoga in daily life and also of all world. As Vishwa Guruji is saying always, नाद रूप पर ब्रह्म, that Omkar. Omkar is the main thing. Omkar is the basic of this all world. All world has came out from the Om. There is one sloka. Omkar bindu samyuktam नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. There are 5 slokas about Om. In the first sloka, it is saying Omkar bindu samyuktam. We will repeat this sloka, then I will translate what is the meaning of this sloka. So Omkar bindu samyuktam nityam dhyayanti yoginah kamadam mokshadam chaiva ओंकाराय नमो नमः. ओंकार बिंदु संयुक्तम नित्यं ध्यायन्ति योगिनः कामदं मोक्षदं चैव ओंकाराय नमो नमः. ओंकार बिंदु संयुक्तम. As in Lilamrita we used to read or we have listened the story of Mahaprabhu ji, that when he was child, that time the teachers were teaching him this A, E, E alphabets, and he was learning there in the school. Then he asked to the teacher, what means A, what means A, and what you saying the Om, what it means. Suddenly teacher was shocked, because we are teaching, because we have got from our teachers that this is A, this is A, this is Om, but what it means. So there is a Om. So he asked what it means the Om. So there are three words, A, U, Ma. It becomes Om. Akar, Ukar, Makar. Akarascha, Ukarascha, Makarascha militva Om ityuchyate. Three letters are there, A, U, Ma. Then it becomes Om. So Omkar Bindu Sanyuktam. It is with the Bindu. You know, when we write the Om, first we write like A, then we put like this, and then on the top we put the Chandra and Bindu. So it is with the Bindu. Omkar Bindu Sanyuktam. So this Omkar, all the yogis, rishis, all the spiritual teachers, always they are doing meditation on the Om. Nityam dhyayanti yogina. All the yogis, they always chanting Om, Om, Om. So all yogis, Rishi Munis, what they are chanting? Omkar. So Omkar, Bindu Sanyuktam and Nityam dhyayanti yogina. They always doing meditation on the Om. Why? What does it gives us? Because whenever we do some things, there is some reason is there. Why you are eating? Because you have to fulfill your stomach, you have to get energy. Why you drink water? Because you are thirsty. So there is a reason. So if all the yogis, all the seekers, all the spiritual masters chanting Om, so what they get? Kamadam mokshadam chaiva. The Om gives us it fills us all our wishes. What we have wishes, it fulfill all wishes. And not only wishes, because we are doing which is materials. Somebody wants car, somebody wants some big rooms, somebody want to be PM, somebody want to be some minister, or whatever they have wishes. So it gives us, or it fills our all wishes. Not only wishes, it gives us also the moksha. So kamadam, kaman dadati iti kamadam. It gives us, or it fills us our wishes. And also giving what? Moksha. Mokshadam chaiva. It also gives the moksha. It also gives the liberation. So that's why all yogis or spiritual masters, they are chanting Om. Kamadam mokshadam chaiva Omkarai namo namaha. That kind of Om, I would like to also bow that kind of Om. Namanti rishyo deva namanti apsarasham ganaha nara namanti devesham nakaraya namo namaha. The second sloka. Namanti rishaya deva namanti apsarasham ganaha. All the rishis, yogis, the spiritual masters, and all humans, they are bowing down to the Omkara, to the Om. Because Om is the basic, and Om is the God. Tasya vachakah pranavaha. In Yoga Sutra they says, Tasya vachaka pranavaha. It means the Om is a symbol of God. Om itself, it is the God. So all rishis, yogis, what they are doing? Praying. All the time they are meditating. They are bowing to the Om. Also, in the heaven, all devatas, they are also meditating. They are also bowing down to the Om. Namanti apsarasham ganaha, even who? Nara namanti devesham Omkaraya namo namaha. So Nara, who are the Nara? We all are the humans. So all humans, they are also bowing down, they are also meditating, they are also respecting to the Om. This kind of Om is there. So that Om, our beloved Gurudev, His Holiness Vishwa Guruji has created on this earth, and this is the first Om by Rishi Nirmit or by our Vishwa Guruji's. It is made by Vishwa Guruji on this world. This is the first Om. So we are luckiest one that we were chanting. Only not we, all the rishis, all the yogis, all the spiritual masters, even all the devatas, they are also chanting that kind of Om our beloved Gurudev Vishwa Guruji made on this earth, and we are the part of that Om, and we are luckiest one. So today I will only do this 2 slokas. Tomorrow we will have more 3-4 slokas which is there, and we will again come and again we will see with the blessing of dear Gurudev Vishwa Guruji. Deepnarayan Bhagavan ki, Alak Purisha Mahadev ki, Sri Sudev Purisha Mahadev ki, हिंदू धर्म सम्राट परम श्री स्वामी माधवानंद गुरुजी भगवान की, विश्व गुरु महामंडलेश्वर परम पूज्य परम योगिराज परम श्री स्वामी महेश्वरानंद गुरुजी गुरुदेव भगवान की।